Confession. I did not want to live here. Not among the goldenrod, wild onions, or the drop seed. Not waist-high in the barrel-aged brown corn water. Not with the $1,000,000 racehorses or the tightly wound round hay bales. Not even in the old tobacco way station we live in, with its heavy metal safe doors that frame our bricked bedroom like the mouth of a strange beast yawning to suck us in, each night like air. I denied it, this new land. But, love, I'll concede this. Whatever state you are, I'll be that state's bird. The loud, obvious blur of song people point to when they wonder where it is you've gone.